Okay. My dear students of class 7 of Kholiaman Girls High School, I hope you are now staying home due to coronavirus. I think I have to give some advice to you because of I'm a teacher, you are my students, so it is my duty. In this period, you maintain some rules, you wear masks, use hand sanitizer and maintain social distance and stay at home, and you will study at your home. Because of you have to gather some knowledge in various subjects, so you don't waste your time. Thank you very much. Now I am going to take a online class. Mindfully you will attend this class and remain active in this period. Our lesson unit 3. Our lesson is unit 3, lesson 1, prize giving day at school. At first, I would like to read this topic firstly, and you mindfully learn how can I pronunciate these words. Prize giving day at school. Farabi is Flora's best friend. They live in the same area. Also, they are both in class 7, but they go to different schools. It is a school holiday. Flora has come to visit Farabi. They are talking. Flora wants to know about the prize giving ceremony of Farabi's school. Yesterday was our prize giving day. Farabi says, on the occasion, our school auditorium and its dais were brightly decorated. Prizes were also neatly displayed on the separate towel on the dais. All the students were present at the function, among others the guardians and some eminent persons of the locality attended the function. Farabi continues. The principal of PN College was the chief guest. Okay, now I have finished the reading of this topic. Now we are going to learn about some vocabulary about this topic. You note down on your khata. Activities. Annual. Attend. Brightly. Ceremony. Now you try to give the answer. Activities. What is the Bengali meaning of the word of activities? Karjaboli. Karjaboli. And what is the synonym of this word? Activity. Synonym. Performance. পারফরমেন্স, অ্যাক্টিভিটিস কার্যাবলী, পারফরমেন্স। লাস্ট ওয়ার্ড অ্যানুয়াল। What is the Bengali meaning of the word বার্ষিক? The Bengali meaning of this word is বার্ষিক, and you get what is the synonym of this word? Yearly. Yearly is the synonym of the word of annual. Now you get what is the Bengali meaning of the word of attend. Attend, উপস্থিত হওয়া। উপস্থিত হওয়া। What is the synonym of the word deeply? Be attend, be present. Be present, উপস্থিত হওয়া। Attend, Bengali meaning উপস্থিত হওয়া, synonym be present. Now brightly. What is the Bengali meaning of the word উজ্জ্বল ভাবে? উজ্জ্বল ভাবে। Now what is the synonym of the word brightly? Deeply. Now, last of all, ceremony. What is the Bengali meaning of the word অনুষ্ঠান? অনুষ্ঠান. Now, what is the synonym of the word function? Now we have finished learning vocabulary, few words, activities, কার্যাবলী, synonym, performance, annual, Bengali meaning বার্ষিক, synonym yearly, attend, Bengali meaning উপস্থিত হওয়া, synonym be present, brightly, Bengali meaning উজ্জ্বল ভাবে, synonym deeply, ceremony, Bengali meaning অনুষ্ঠান, synonym function. I think you have finished your writing. Now we are going to learn some open-ended question. Some open-ended question. First of all, who is Farabi? Who is Farabi? You have to try to solve the question. Who is Farabi? You try to give the answer of this question. Now I help you. Farabi is Flora's best friend. question is, who is Farabi? Our answer, Farabi is Flora's best friend. You write down. Our second question, what does Flora want? What does Flora want? Now you have to give the answer. You try it first. Now I help you. Flora wants to know about the prize giving ceremony of Farabi's school. What does Flora want? Our question, what does Flora want? Answer, you may write accordingly. This sentence, Flora wants to know about the prize giving ceremony of Farabi's school. Last of all, why has Flora come? Why has Flora come? Flora has come to visit Farabi. Our question is, why has Flora come? Answer, Flora has come to visit Farabi. You note down on your khata these questions. Our first question, who is Farabi? Farabi is Flora's best friend. Second question, what does Flora want? Answer, Flora wants to know about the prize giving ceremony of Farabi's school. Last of all, why has Flora come? Answer, Flora has come to visit Farabi. I think you have finished your writing. Fill in the blanks. the blanks. Now we are going to learn fill in the blanks. At first you have to read this passage and you have to try which word is the appropriate, and you have to put this word on the blank. Now you note down on your khata. Farabi is Flora's dash friend. They live in the dash area. Also, they are both in class 7, but they go to dash schools. It is a school dash full stop. Flora has come to dash Farabi, full stop. Now you write down this passage on your khata and try to solve the answer. You have to select, you have to get which word is most appropriate and put in the blank. Farabi is Flora's friend. You get Farabi is Flora's friend. Farabi is Flora's best friend. Farabi is Flora's best friend. They live in the dash area. They live in the dash area. In the same area. In the same area. Write down on your khata. Also, they are both in class 7. Also, they are both in class 7, but they go to dash schools. But they go to dash school. They go to different schools, but they go to different schools. It is school dash. It is school dash. It is school holiday. It is school holiday. Flora has come to Farabi. Flora has come to dash Farabi, to visit Farabi. Now you note down on your khata. Again, I help you. Farabi is Flora's best friend. They live in the same area. Also, they are both in class 7, but they go to different schools. It is a school holiday. Flora has come to visit Farabi. My dear students, I think you have enjoyed this class finally, and you practice those questions what things we have learned from here, and to your home tasks now. I give you home tasks. You write down on your khata home tasks. Write main ideas of the passage. Write main ideas of the passage. Write main ideas of this passage means you have to write summary. What is summary of this passage? You have to write down. This is your home task. Thank you very much. Okay.